Hello, this is Alan Mooring of AutoSystemTrader.com. Now, I'm frequently asked the question, what makes your systems different from all the others available online? And that's a great question and one that deserves to be answered. The problem was that until recently it was hard to compare systems one against the other in real-time trading. But fortunately, this problem has been solved by TradeStation's Strategy Network program that provides daily trade updates of systems' live trade performance based on a number of different criteria. Now, AutoSystemTrader focuses on Forex systems because we find that this offers traders the ability to scale into a position gradually with mini lots, much like you can with stock shares. But the volumes in 24-hour markets with Forex help us to avoid the gaps that occur in the U.S. markets, actually in the foreign markets as well, when holding overnight positions. Now, unlike futures, there's no reason to stop a winning trade at the market close to prevent any additional margin requirements. And without getting too technical, we find that Forex just offers us the best and safest way to scale into a leveraged investment and offers us the most control, which we feel is just extremely important to preserve capital. So here we are at TradeStation.com, their website. If you click on Strategy Network and then View All Strategies, for the reasons I've just stated, I'm going to uncheck stocks and the futures systems, and then we'll be able to compare just the Forex systems. Now, I don't know how they rank these things, but it looks like all the Auto System Traders systems are under my name, Alan Mooring, and it looks like we're 2, 3, 4, 5 on this list on the first page. You go down to the page, you can see there's quite a few different pages here. I think there's 10 per page, so there's at least 60. And we'll just go through some of these systems and the different criteria used to rank them. Now, percentage profitable, we don't use this because you can see just having a high percentage profitable system doesn't mean that you're going to have positive returns at the end of the year. You see, here's one with 76% profitable trades, but it loses 200% a year. Here's one with 80% profitable trades, but it loses 31% a year. But we're still, we have some systems that do really well. Here we're at spot 2, 3 on this page, but we don't focus on percentage profitable. The annualized rate of return is important if you're looking for a system that trades often and you want to just trade one system and get I guess a really great return. And you can see that here. It looks like our Trade Master, which holds positions for an extended period of time, is number 2 here. And then we have one here, I think this is number 5, and another one at number 7. So we're showing up here with systems that have high annualized rates of return. RANI Index is a formula that calculates risk based on net profit, drawdown, excluding the outliers, and the time that the system spends in the market. It's basically a risk-reward type of measure, with higher numbers showing less risk than the lower numbers. So the higher the numbers are better. And here we have a very safe and conservative system called FX Scout, which is number 1. We're number 2, we're number 3, and number 5 here. So we're doing real well, top of the list. Now let's go to profit factor. Profit factor is the gross profit over gross loss, I believe. So the higher the number, the better the system. Here's a great system by Andres Gomez. I don't know who that is. It only had 9 trades though. But here on this profit factor, we're number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So our systems are appearing at the top of the list on most of these different search criteria, which makes us feel that our systems are very safe, and when used together in a portfolio will be show you a very consistent way to make money with a leveraged Forex investment. Now we have more systems that we've just added, and we expect them to appear here as well. One of the new systems is FX Euro Razor, which is called EC Razor here, and we have a superhero strategy which we have just added, and it won't show up until we have 5 completed trades. But once again, this is Alan Mooring of AutoSystemTrader.com. Thank you for your questions, and keep them coming. We really appreciate it.